here in Australia, we're coming into winter, so I thought I'd make for you a new soup recipe. This is a raw wintergreen soup, alright, absolutely delicious. Today I'm using the brand new A3500 in this beautiful black stainless steel finish. Okay, nice sort of matte looking color, looks amazing. And we're just gonna get started. So in the container here, I have 2 cups of cold water. You can start with hot water if you like to speed up the process. 1 cup of frozen peas here. All right, so just let that go. So I've got 2 zucchinis here. Notice I use the stems here as well. Lots of good nutrition in those. We don't want to waste them. I've got some beautiful fresh asparagus. I've got the ends off these. I've broken them off. So I've got 8 spears of asparagus here. I'll just break those in half and put them straight in. I've got some basil, some coriander and some mint. All right, gonna add a beautiful depth of flavor to our wintergreen soup. And then I've also got some garlic. Now we leave the skin on there, okay, you don't have to worry about peeling it. It's a Vitamix, it's gonna blend that up, no hassles at all. You know, same with the vegetarian stock cube. All right, leave that on there. You're gonna get more iron in your diet, which is really good. No, just joking guys. Don't put that in there, no nutritional content in there. It's an old joke, but I still think it's a good one. And I'm gonna put in half a date just to add a little bit of sweetness to our soup. And then I've got some pepper and some salt just to season it. And lastly, I'm gonna add in some coconut cream, all right? So I've just got half a cup of beautiful coconut cream. That's just gonna cream it up. I'm gonna lock our lid into place. Make sure that's locked in place. Now the A3500 actually has a soup setting. So I'm just gonna hit my soup setting. You'll see it comes up 5 minutes, 45 seconds. And then I'm gonna hit start. It's a friction heat, all right? So there's actually no heating element inside the unit. So you can imagine if I did this 500 times a second, how hot my hands would be. The same principles working on the blade. So that's what's gonna heat up our soup. All right, so let's hit start. Away we go. Soup done. Check out the steam. It's going to come out of the lid here. So cold water, raw vegetables, 5 minutes. Yeah, look at that steaming hot soup, piping hot soup. By the time it takes you to open up a can, we've made a delicious raw wintergreen soup. All right, so give that a little bit of a stir there, get all those bubbles off the top. I'm just going to try it straight out of here before I serve it up. Nice and hot. Beautiful, absolutely delicious. The flavors, the herbs, asparagus, tastes amazing. I'm gonna serve that up now with some coconut cream, some chickpeas, pumpkin seeds, some fresh herbs. It'll be delicious. Happy blending.